Salam Shaykh, what is your viewpoint on Mufti Hanif Qureshi's refutation of Dawateislami in the UK taking interest-bearing loans, saying we live in Darul Harb? Well, Mufti Hanif Qureshi firstly should worry about his own home country. Deal with the issues in your home country. Why are you chasing a pious man like Maulana Ilyas Qadri, Hafidhahullah Ta'ala? Mufti Hanif Qureshi insults Sahaba so many times and then retracts and then insults and then retracts. He obviously has an agenda with Dawateislami irrelevant to whether Dawateislami is right or wrong on this issue. The individual is reading accounts in Pakistan, British-based accounts. You have so many issues to deal with in Pakistan. You have divided your ulama of Pakistan so much. They are so divided because of the various fitan that you create. You bring out topics which, firstly, the public cannot even understand those topics. And then you divide them into various groups. And you have destroyed the unity of Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'ah in that country, since great ulama passed away, like Al-Mufti Abdul Qayyum Hazarwi, Al-Allama Abdul Hakim Sharaf Al-Qadri, Al-Allama Fayd Ahmad Awesi, Al-Allama Shah Ahmad Nurani. These are great ulama of Pakistan. You have broken that unity in the country. So in that country now, in Pakistan, because of course I'm very familiar with the goings on of Pakistan and the ulama of Pakistan, you should be creating unity. Why couldn't you meet Maulana Ilyas Qadri in private and discuss those financial issues? There is an obvious agenda there. When Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'ah can resolve their internal disputes very easily, you could simply contact them. They are very easily contactable. So, Maulana Ilyas Qadri is a very pious man. Do not disparage this man. He has been doing work for Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'ah, for Islam, for decades. He does not embroil himself in controversies. He instructs people in how to pray their salah, to give their zakah. He instructs them in the sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That is not to say everyone is ma'soom and perfect, but there is an obvious agenda behind the man just sticking to this one subject.